Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, and I hope we are all on the same page on this very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself. It's a multitasking is a wisdom. With that said, I will quickly read through the civil justice so that we all can be on the same page on what is the civil justice all about. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So scandal phases of Republica, Europe nations worldwide, Republica at fault found guilty, prostitutes of at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government, and at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Democrat government, USA FCC retails gasoline, Exxon Mobil from state of Texas, and then British state of Texas of United States of America, and British Petroleum of London, England, or London, England, or Britain. Then Dutch means Netherlands or Amsterdam. They're having the gasoline called as a Shell. So these three giants nations agencies created robocall poverty mandate is proved and enforced poverty disabled to I, Vedapriya Prose on October 2018 for Republica government of USA prostitute to steal rightful Supreme Court judge of USA job on October 2018. That rightful belonged to I, Vedapriya Prose, and civil justice must be provided now without any delay. So the domestic violence of Exxon Mobil of state of Texas of USA and domestic violence of British Petroleum of London, England, Britain Britain of Europe, and then again another Europe nation called Netherlands or Amsterdam is called as Dutch Shell gasoline. They all come under the classification of domestic violence and subclassification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, trespass to land and types, trespass to chattels and types. So it is never fun to be fatal negligence is the wisdom, right? Because they have to pay the price, you know. So I, Vedapriya Pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text ongoing for ongoing civil justice sign-off, at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA, Republican government and USA Democrat government, as in USA retails gasoline, Exxon Mobil gasoline, then British Petroleum Mobile gasoline in USA and all nations worldwide, then Dutch Netherlands gas, Amsterdam gasoline Shell agency created robocall poverty mandate, and with fatal negligence failed to educate, USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Pro se abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus dollars since 2018, 2019, 2020, and as of today, February 2021, and as of today is what? March 1st, to I, Vedapriya Pro se, and also enforced finance disability to I, Vedapriya Pro se abruptly is a crime. For at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, USA retails gasoline, Exxon Mobil prostitutes, and British Petroleum prostitutes, then Dutch Netherlands gasoline Shell prostitutes, right? They already see, okay, I have to provide a little bit of overview here. Oh, I just want to finish the session, but then that last part I have to provide this overview. Okay, because it's all related, right? When I was working on the Poverty Free Earth End of the Year 2030 volunteer project, my dear fellow mankind, I am the first human. Okay, so I broke the world record. It's a Guinness World Record, meaning forever, means for past 500 years and beyond. Even before 500, even before the gasoline was started, there have been these absolute monarchs, Satans, these prostitutes, these crabs. They have been destroying, the national operations, basic essentials, right? And I stood up and I, like a teacher, one by one I educated how is gasoline created from the dust, right? So I do not want to go into detail because I already explained, not here, but when I was working in the Facebook, work part. So that will be another too much of a labor for me, where if at all that be a need, I can still explain it, and otherwise, there is a lot of online education right now. But then I went and stepped in and educated every single thing because I wanted to crack down what? You all got it, the P word, the poverty word, right? So I just wanted to crack down, is there any kind of a root cause I could identify anywhere, whatever source available in the earth, no matter what, if at all I can find the root cause, and that will be helping me, right? And all along in my analysis process, these absolute monarchs were blacklisted already. But I just was waiting for that, they say that home run for the sports side, or just nail it in, or a bullseye for a dart game, like that, And absolutely, I just nailed on the forehead of Pope Francis. He died, right? And I just nailed down on the forehead of Queen Elizabeth, and she died. Meaning, they all will be thrown in where? Volcano, right? And all the Islam leaders, they are dead. I just nailed them on their forehead. You all keep working, who am I? Okay? I'm just providing clue also side by side. Okay. Now then, I educated, there should be only one type of gasoline, right? There should be only one type of gasoline. But if you all go, if you and I and we all are humans, right? When we all drive, even to put the gasoline, we have to drive. We have to take the vehicle out. Those are all the labor cost, isn't it? Now, when we go to the gas station, there should be only one type of the gasoline. But why on the earth they have to provide 3 types? Can you see? So, I am the excellent tax collector. Can you all get it? When I am going to ask the British Petroleum Gasoline to pay me $3,500 trillion, boom, that's a tax. And when I'm going to ask the Dutch, Netherlands, the selfish, the cunning, oh yeah, I can choose whatever I want that comes out of my mouth. Right? But I can say cunning. That's fair enough. Right? You all wait, watch and see. Wait, watch and see. The Netherlands and the, what nation is that? Amsterdam. They're all the crap, the prostitutes. Right? The deadliest prostitutes and venomous people in the earth. Next to the France. Right? So, they came up, so they have to pay $500,000 trillion to my bank account. Oh yeah, the Netherlands leader will, the cunning, the royal Netherlands king will just kiss me to the earth. Oh yes, I will slap left and right and will say, you get out of the earth now. Nobody will ask. United States of government will be laughing out loudest when I'm saying that to the Netherlands. I will say, Netherlands, just get up. Just get out in the volcano. Means nobody will dare to ask why, and you all keep working on who am I. I own Netherlands. I own Amsterdam. I own Amsterdam. I own each Europe nations, isn't it? Now tell me, for how long you and I, we all people were going to the gasoline station and we all got fooled of looking into the 3 types and just, I don't know about my peers. I just look into the less amount, that what's got that unleaded, the lowest price one, I put that gasoline only. Right? But then they also do a marketing strategy telling that, oh, these are higher end of vehicles, these must be put only premium gasoline. Wrong. Crime. Fooling people, isn't it? These are all the natural resources, my dear fellow mankind, given by God. I educated that. So can you all see, whatever I was educating only wisdom, and because of that wisdom only, these foolish people just threw acid on my face. Got it? Can you all see? So because I was educating the wisdom, these people ordered the Mitch McConnell, the slave, the puppet to the prostitute, he's still prostituting to Queen Elizabeth II. Right? So he will do all crap, whatever Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis only asked them to do. But then I'm displaying. In Facebook, I was silently providing that. Here in the video form, I'm just talking it myself. If at all anybody wants to kill me, just kill me. Right? Can you all see? Just because I filed a lawsuit for $50,000 trillion, just because of that. I don't know about you all, my dear fellow mankind. For me, I just cannot tolerate that Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks provided that crime. I just cannot tolerate it. It is super emotional disturbances it's creating to me. For that, provided for producing Dr. Fauci, the prostitute, for producing Dr. Brinks, the prostitute, it is USA must pay me $1 billion every second, every day, forever. Who are them? Do you all want to wear your mask every single day? For how long you all want to wear? Tell me. Because illnesses is identified, I did not want the Dr. Fauci to eat the mask. Otherwise, I'm a disciplinarian, means toughest. When it comes to the fun part, oh yes, I'm super fun to be with. Laugh out loudest, crack up jokes, like that. But when it is coming to the discipline, you see me the toughest one, right? That means Dr. Fauci will accuse me to death. I will say it's okay if you're 80 years old, it's okay. Eat all medical mask, medical doctors wearing the mask, and eat all the population wearing the mask, and each retail is providing different brands, They were making a hell after hell after hell. But then there is an innocence behind them. That's a layer. The retails never knew what scandal was going above that layer of their retail, and that is what I'm displaying today. It is Walmart and Amazon will be shedding tears of shame right now for whatever crime that Dr. Fauci and Dr. Briggs did. Did they have any common sense for what they did? All the softer lines have been destroyed because of that. I do not want to go beyond with overviewing. So whatever I want to tell, I told it right now. It's a live testimony, my dear fellow mankind. When I'm saying please broadcast it on the TVs wherever possible means I'm not joking. Let's say the gasoline tank, whatever gallon it may be, but roughly you provide that $30. If at all it is cheapest, let's say. Cheapest means what? Not cheapest. It still costs, yes, but I'm saying for a minimum thing, that's all. $30 and maximum $60. Tell me, what if the people are unemployed? What if they had another variable expenses that they cannot afford for this gasoline? And these the retails, the another type of prostitutes, they were making hell lot of money out of this mask alone. For me, I just grabbed one in the grocery store just because they mandated it. I had no other go. I had to wear that mask, right? Before that, I was wearing the scarf only as a mask. But that was, not, it was coming off and thing, and then mandated, and then I have to pay. I just paid what, $3.95, close to $4 to $5, and tax alone with to $5. That is too much of dollar to me. I don't know about my peers. They can market me. For Dr. Fauci mandated me to buy that mask for $5. I can ask him to pay $5 trillion for the scam he provided, right? Oh, Dr. Fauci, just puke $5,000 trillion or $5 trillion for you mandated me to get the mask from the grocery store. And how many homeless people never even bothered to wear the mask, and they never bothered about that, right? When they were busy marketing about the mask through the media, they never said how they are going to provide that guidelines for the homeless people, for the refugee people, for the beggars. Right? Okay, here at least they can at least afford, right? Imagine the India, Africa, South America. Those are the 3 continents which is lagging behind even now, right? It's all for a reason. Wait, watch and see. I will tear Queen Elizabeth II in pieces. I will not leave her alone, no. For whatever she did to the humanity, she has to pay the price. Oh yes, I can accuse her. You all get it. I am the only one in the entire human kingdom to accuse, to get offended. Is she a woman? Is she oh my gosh. What is she? And for me, when people see, for me, it is like when my peers, they worship Queen Elizabeth as a god. I can see my foolish fellow mankind only as patients. Because they're fools, right? They're fools. It is she who created that COVID-19, and it is she who educated the Dr. Fauci to provide that crime. And that is why I'm allowing Dr. Fauci, I want Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks to live. Go, 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 go. You created the havoc. Just get out. Get out of the thing, get resigned. Get out. Like that. Because they are going to destroy more. If they're going to be in this government, they're going to destroy more. Already providing, he's still providing destruction. Is he a human? Is he a human? And if you see these two people having Christian names, right? But they are not Christians. This is not the act of Christian, no. This is an absolute Islam, Judaism, Zionism, paganism way of action. They just enjoy the sufferings of fellow mankind. They just enjoy the sufferings of fellow mankind. They really don't care. They do not have emotions. They do not have sentiments. They do not have empathy. They do not have mercy. They do not have grace. They don't know what is humane. Nothing. They love only sexual immorality, way of life. What is President Joe Biden going to say about this particular very important gasoline crime? You all tell me, my dear fellow mankind. Now you all got it, right? Why state of Texas got snow? I told what? The E word, isn't it? It is ExxonMobil after all. And now you all get it, right? It's been in the news for 2 or 3 days. And they're just making a mockery out of that snow part and how everything came part of it, right? The southern states I'm talking about. All along, I'm displaying what? You all got it. You all must be laughing. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, it is what you all are thinking. I am displaying President Trump innocent. Yes, he is at fault for he created poverty for me. Right? So for that, he's paying the price. He has to write $5,000 check. And for created poverty-free robocall alone, that is $500,000 trillion. That everybody has to pay the price. Because that nobody, he did not have any birthright to create that, right? Because even today I'm suffering with that financial loss. Age is gone, right? I'm unemployed. I don't know when I will get back to the workforce. Right? For me, it is like, why in the earth, when there are humans worldwide, there are no humans? Why? What went wrong? I'm displaying the proof. Right? I'm displaying the proof. So yes, this session went little bit long. It's because I have to provide the life testimony to you all, my dear fellow mankind. I educated and people got educated. And that time when I was educating, then the nation's governments had to do something about it, isn't it? They immediately reduced the gasoline prices. Remember, I think one time it was reaching to $4 or $5, right? Not $5. I would say it was in higher of $4.50, $4.9. I paid $60 for the tank, for my tank in my van. And then when I was educating, then the government has to respond to the population. Because 300 million people will not be quiet. Their blood will be boiling, isn't it? And they reduced it. And even when they reduced it, it came only to 25 to 30. Even that is a lot. Right? And now we can ask, it's our time, isn't it? I already said it's our time. It's a payback time. Whatever they took in an injustice way, I stand in front of entire human kingdom and I am going to ask Queen Elizabeth to puke all the dollars she ate. Let her go crazy and die. I don't care a damn. Right? And I'm going to ask Pope Francis to puke all the dollars he ate because of this gasoline scandal. Don't you all think only one gasoline will fix everything? It would have been an affordable pricing for everybody, provide a flat rate. How easy is it? Right? She cannot, the Queen Elizabeth II cannot escape the wrath of God. She can think, nobody can take her down. She can think, it's clearly written in the Holy Bible, Revelation 18, that whatever she will think also it's written in that Holy Bible. Right? It is written in that Holy Bible clearly, her means what? These prostitutes, the absolute monarchs prostitutes, they will think, I'm not widow, she's not a widow, right? Now she's not a widow. I'm not a widow, okay, I don't have to worry, okay, then I'm having all the luxury. So it's all clearly written about the Queen Elizabeth II in a Morse code way. You go read that chapter, you'll have goosebumps. I got it. I was just wondering how on the earth. So that relates to how people have been prosecuted forever. So even when they were sitting and writing the Holy Bible, they were writing only when they were prosecuted worldwide. That is a proof that Queen Elizabeth II is the purest form of Islam. She's a prostitute. And it is written in the Holy Bible. Now tell me, how many years and how many days passed that population paying for gasoline? If she is going to say, sorry, I cannot find the dollars that ate, I will say, go figure it out. Pay $500,000 trillion to me. I'm burning her in ashes right now in front of entire human kingdom, even before getting the civil justice. For whatever she did to the humanity is just unacceptable. Zero tolerance. Is she a woman? Is she a human? Just for the illusion, right? Yes, she looks beautiful, right? The white skin, the body, model kind of a figure. Always wearing the crown, always displaying as if she's only the queen. But she's not. See, she stole the crown, right? So she has to portray it that way. She is never a true queen. That's why she destroyed all the nations. Let's say if she is a true queen, I'm absolutely positive she would never have bothered to destroy the humanity. This is just only one part of the deadliest crime, my dear fellow mankind. And all the Islam leaders, they are prostituting with Queen Elizabeth II even today, this moment too. Go to Oman. The Oman gasoline refinery, she has the shares. ExxonMobil is from Iraq only. Iraq, Iran, they all have oil refineries. And in Oman, it's the smallest land if you go and see in the map, right? If you see all those the Middle Eastern nations I'm talking about, the United Arab Nations, the Oman, the Dubai, the Saudi Arabia, the Jordan, the Qatar, right? They're all richest. They don't know what is the word called poverty. They don't know the word called poverty. And they became rich because of her prostitution alone. I already said what? All their skyscrapers in the Dubai. Oh yes, I can excuse whatever comes in my mouth, but you all got it. How with God-given strength I can still talk when I'm in super frustration mode, isn't it? I get true anger and healthy anger. And I am excellent healthy anger management process provider. Yes, I do shout when I get frustrated mode. But still I provide in a very healthy anger management process. People will even wonder how on the earth I handle it. How can I handle it in a healthy way? And I can handle fools, my dear fellow mankind. I have to step in. I have to step in and help my blood drops worldwide who are paying injustice way for the gasoline. First of all, gasoline price should be free. So for whatever injustice this Queen Elizabeth did, I am asking $500,000 trillion is cheapest after all. If you're going to include the interest, like finance people, how they make other people poorest. I know how to make finance banks poorest, right? So I asked what? $500,000 trillion. What more for me to make USA poorest? You tell me. When USA is in $22 trillion, which I know already. So yes, this particular crime is so deadliest. I really don't know how President Joe Biden, he will say he will resign any moment. He cannot fix it. He just cannot. He is a prostitute, is a puppet to Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, and he will do all more crap only. He will destroy USA forever. So tell me, those 3 types of gasoline itself is wrong. What is USA going to do? That means the entire infrastructure crashed in pieces. Right? It got crashed in pieces. Who's going to pay for the price? For who? See, there are different emotions for me. I'm handling with God-given grace. Okay? I know USA belongs to me. I own USA, right? So tell me, what will I have for an emotion when I know that I belong to, USA belongs to me, USA is Tamil Nadu, USA is destroyed, and the way it got destroyed, and the national operations cannot be fixed in one day. To fix it will take next 50,000 years. So at least I have to step in and provide the foundation design for forethinking of how the younger generation will take the torch and move on with whatever design provided, means then they can take it with a healthy guidance. Means I will not be there, right? I don't know how long I will be there, but as long as I'm there, I have to finish the design immediately, because nobody is eligible or nobody can provide the design. That's what I'm educating as well. I only can design correctly. So yes, this session went really long. I did not expect this to happen. But I had to explain this, right? Now tell me, your blood, you all are having blood color red only. So must be boiling. Because it is too much of crunch that is creating in your monthly budget. Am I correct or not? And see, I'm just talking about only one vehicle. What if there are 2 vehicles or 3 vehicles or whatever, how many vehicles? That many cost, $60 or $100 or whatever. Even if they're going to go for the electric cars, which they are hyping it, which they are marketing, it's another strategy, right? Who is going to give those energy? Even if it's an electric car, there needs to be energy. Electricity should be provided. So yes, you all got it. Why state of Texas is in very bad shape, right? Very, very bad shape. They just made a mockery, that's all. Meaning, they want to provide a hidden message. Only wisest people will get that message after all. Fools and the fool's population will be thinking, they are laymen only, they are innocent only. All they can see in their eyes is only the snow. And how to take care of that power shortage or whatever they have, that means the brain will not even work anything. When a brain is put into that much of a shock mode on an abruptly, it will not function, it will not operate. It will create a lot of stress, isn't it? It will create a lot of stress. Why Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks never even educated about that? When they were busy educating about the mask, wear this mask, you have to wash your hands, wear this mask, they created, it's an absolute lie, and that's not a plague, and they created a havoc, and they created a system, they destroyed the software thing, it's collapsed. Everything is, they just, what they did was, without of that frustration, that I filed a lawsuit against Department of Health Services for 500 billion. With that kind of a, this is exactly how a foolish people in an anger will provide. It's a behavioral pattern. Got it? It's a behavioral pattern. This is how, this is a live example for you all to understand how the fools will react when a Voices is educating, how fools will react. This is a live demo. This is exactly what they will do. They will not bother. They will just move on. See, Dr. Fauci and Dr. Briggs is moving on. Right. They, whatever they created for a disaster, they got $1 million salary. Or even the retirement package for them to be settled. They don't have to worry. This is what exactly is happening. Don't you all think that I have to step in and provide this discipline in the rightful way? Yes, my dear fellow mankind, this is how the program logic will keep on going in the loop after loop after loop and checking each and every checkpoints. You all got it, right? So first I started, even now I'm working on only the poverty free. I mean the robocall poverty, right? So that means it has its own message, hidden message. The Voices gets a message. That's what I'm working on. So that means the ExxonMobil should have educated President Trump, never, do not create poverty to me. And Dutch should have stepped in and educated President Trump. Hey, President Trump, if you are doing a lot of business, man, do not create poverty for Vedapriya. She's a true owner of USA. Don't do that. Dutch knows. Dutch knows I can fry Dutch in ashes. Sorry, not in ashes. Dutch knows who am I. You all go figure out who am I, okay? When I'm saying Dutch knows who am I, and Dutch knows how much of whatever Q's words I can provide, I'm eligible to provide, means just Dutch knows what Dutch did to Tamil Nadu. I will tear Dutch in pieces. Watch and see. They are all the cursed ones. They should never be living in the earth after all. In the state of Texas, the ExxonMobil gasoline leader, the Republican, who was also given a role in the President Trump admin, should have stepped in. Hey, President Trump, do not create poverty for Vedapriya. She's only educating wisdom. Why? Why do you all want to steal her job that rightful belongs to her? Why? Failed. The moment the three giants failed, they are the one who created the robocall. That is civil justice. That is the wisdom. And yes, I did not want this session to go very long, but it went long for 35 minutes. But that because I have to educate that the gasoline crime I displayed already. So it's all interrelated. Got it? So you all got it, why it was a robocall. Then again 2019 I filed a lawsuit, and then 2020 the COVID-19, and before that 2018, that robocall part of it, I was education, do not pay tax, population must never pay tax, it should be the USA that's going to pay tax. Means I was educating wisdom, right? I was even telling this gasoline part of it also. So that is why they were tracking me down for the entire 2017. So it was continuous. So in all these things, who became helpless? It was Democrat admin, entire population became helpless. They know Hillary Clinton and President Obama and John Kerry, they all know that I worked on the complex task, right? But they all became helpless mode. It is because of all this crap, Republican government. So I will ask them to pay when they can create that much of poverty to me. and destroy my fellow mankind, don't you all think $500,000 trillion once, $500,000 trillion twice, oh no, this is not auction, sorry. It's a price. They have to pay. British Petroleum, they have to stand upside down and pay me $500,000 trillion. Exxon Mobil have to pay, the state of Texas have to pay me $500,000 trillion. I'm sure state of Wisconsin might be laughing out loudest, but all I can say is state of Wisconsin, don't laugh. Already there is a lot of crime that's going on. Just do not mock at each other, because this is a discipline that's going on right here. Already state of Wisconsin have to pay $500 billion, no matter what. And they must be already in the hot seat for that, hot oil for that, and cursing me to death and wishing me death. But regardless of whether I live or die, I got the justice because it's going to be there, right? This is how it will be in the civil justice book, no matter what. $500,000 trillion penalty slapped on the face of British Petroleum. Let Queen Elizabeth die out of heart attack. I really could care a damn for her. For whatever she did to the humanity. Not 1 minute, not 1 second, not 1 day. Forever. 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 And yes, my dear fellow mankind, I surely will get the civil justice my way according to the Holy Bible guidance only. And you all will be superly shocked, because we are all humans, right? How on the earth the forefathers sat and wrote just whatever is happening now, they wrote it. It's impossible, isn't it? At least for our human understanding, it is impossible. Because different generation, I never knew, I don't know, I've never seen any of the forefathers who sat and wrote the Holy Bible. And they never knew me. That is the purity of the Holy Bible. That is why in all the books available, that Holy Bible is called as Holy Bible, because those people, right, they wrote whatever God's Holy Spirit asked them to write. Meaning, I'm talking with whatever God-giving wisdom right now, right? So overview part, I'm talking it. Right? Whatever that's coming in my brain, that's God-given wisdom, I'm talking. That is the truth, right? I don't know about my peers. I've never even seen any forefathers. I've never even seen that Jesus Christ who got crucified on the cross. My dear fellow mankind. Without seeing and believing is excellent belief, after all. That is wisdom. That comes out of cleanest love only. When there is a polluted love, there will be doubtful. Then people will say, oh, show me the proof. Oh, we need to see the signs. Only then. But these fake Israelites who are calling themselves as Jews, like in the Judaism, they all go by only the signs. They believe only if, oh, we want to see the sign, only then we can. Even in one of the 12 disciples, even the Saint Thomas was a doubting disciple only. He was doubtful, right? He has to see the scars, he has to touch the scars, and then he has to believe. So there are some it's a hidden puzzle of education after all. There are some people where their brains cannot process correctly on believing process. Blindest belief, blindest faith, blindest trust comes out of clean heart. Then he believed. Then he himself felt very bad. That's why he even doubted. St. Jude felt bad just for a few dollars. Maybe that time around it might be a lot more value, right? But then that's a hidden puzzle how dollars can blind the eyes of the people and can make fool. Then he regretted, but there was no time for him to regret even. He wanted to self inflict and he died out of suicide, I think. That's my understanding. So all along, these crabs, the absolute monarchs have been destroying. Nobody knew. USA government knew why retails is a garbage. USA government never knew why banking sector has become a garbage. USA government never knew why the welfare insurance became a garbage. Right? Everything is broken in pieces right now. I'm displaying everything upfront. Like I just stripped off everything, all the operations, right? Took away the mask they were wearing, and this is what all the broken services are. See for yourself. Means I am just providing what birthrights civilians should know. A civilian should know a civilian do not have any birthright to pay for gasoline, and yet is paying means it is out of innocence, ignorance, no education whatsoever. And the absolute monarchs took that for granted, and that is why they wanted 95% of the population of each nation to not be educated. Got it? See, there is one thing, that healthy part of it, and there is unhealthy part of it too. I stood up and I'm educating you all, right? Tell me, what do I gain by educating you all? I'm making you all wisest. So what do I gain out of that? I live peaceful life, that is one part, okay. Then when my peers also getting into the wisest pathways, they'll also live in a peaceful life. I already said, when I want to live peace, I want my peers to live in peace. When I want to have a healthy organic meal, each healthy meal each day, I want my peers also to have the same, right? When I want to have a basic healthy lifestyle, I want my peers also to have a basic healthy lifestyle. So it's as simple as that. So people have been fooled into thinking that they have to pay for tax for every single basic essentials they have to get it from the nation. No, that is wrong. Right? I educated that. Hey, my fellow mankind, we should never pay tax. It is governments have to pay the tax for all the crimes they have done. When USA government gets to see this live testimony, they will immediately, their blood will be boiling, isn't it? So they'll be just send the cops and they'll handcuff only Queen Elizabeth and immediately throw on the volcano. I will ask, okay, can you go to sun and throw her there? That is impossible, isn't it? So whatever possible, whatever is available, whatever is affordable, I provided a solution. That is all. Easiest and healthiest humane standards of civil death penalty services. That's all. Right? Just throw her in volcano, let her be gone in ashes. Who cares? When she was destroying every civilian's life, nobody was dare to ask her, right? Why queen? Queen, you are always be called as queen. Oh, how sweet is that sound. Queen. Queen, queen. Oh, wow. Why queen? Why dear queen? You tortured all the population worldwide, and even today with gasoline crime. Why nobody has stood up and asked her? Why? How many lawyers, how many doctors, how many educationists, how many theologians? Did education fail humanity, or did humanity fail education? You all keep working on, because it's already a lot of time. So I will read the last part of that justice and I'll be done. Okay. So I will read it one more time. At fault found guilty, fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, USA retails, gasoline, Exxon Mobil of state of Texas of United States of America, then prostitute British Petroleum of Europe, London, England, and Britain. And then Dutch Netherlands Gasoline Shell agency created robocall poverty mandate is proved. 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 And when ruling nation, they are the ones who are ruling the nation. Queen Elizabeth is ruling USA. So it is her job. It's not my job, right? It is her job because she is the one who is wearing the crown after crown, like royal dress after dress, like fancy queen, like a fancy dress competition or like Halloween party, always for a Halloween party, right? Like that. So she should have stepped in and educated President Trump and Mitch McConnell and Brett Kavanaugh not to create poverty to her. Don't take that $4,500 from her, no. But she is the one who educated them to take that. Why? Because I educated people should not pay tax. And worldwide they wanted me only, I Veda Priya, to be only the Supreme Court judge. She never wanted that. She wanted the USA to be destroyed in pieces, and these fools are prostitutes, right? They are prostituting with Queen Elizabeth only and Pope Francis. Right? So they are slaves to them. But I am asking, why on the earth the humanity got destroyed? Why? And I must get the civil justice. And so that means here I've put like what? USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, USA FCC retails gasoline, Exxon Mobil, British Petroleum, Dutch Netherlands gasoline agencies created robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence. So they must sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion to be directed deposit to my bank account. Means it should be 3 times. I did not mention it 3 times. It should be 3 times. Got it? Because ExxonMobil also fatal negligence once. Then British Petroleum fatal negligence twice. Dutch Netherlands gasoline fatal negligence thrice. So 3 counts means 3 times they have to pay that $500,000 trillion once, $500,000 trillion twice, $500 trillion thrice. So I did not put that times 3, but still goes without saying. To be direct deposited to my bank account, and nobody will ask. No. Nobody will dare to ask why, when all the nations are going crazy with deadliest crisis, who gave the authority for the gasoline teams to provide $500,000 trillion once, twice, thrice to weather? That's a lot of money. Nobody will ask. Why? Because I'm the one who's displaying all the crime, so I have to get the rightful salary, isn't it? To be direct deposited to my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species, and hell creators, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. So it has its own multitasking. I'm providing a Morse code defense, military defense code of message also, right? People, only wisest people will get it. Why? When government will ask Pope, hey Pope, do you know that there is Islam? Do you know who created it? That is a message I'm providing. What will Pope say? Will he scratch his head and see if he'll say, oh no, I have never heard Islam? You all tell me. So that is how the excellent communication reaches out. And it's $1 trillion worth of military operations also, right? This is how excellent communication will be communicated to the government one side, the population one side. So on hierarchy level, it's a gas. This session is all about gasoline crime. There is a lot more crime I have to display. Wait, watch, and see. Okay. So yes, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now. And as I said, I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom. Okay. Just be patient. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, this session took 52 minutes. And it's just the way it is. Whenever I talk, right? It takes a lot of time. So that is why I was going very fast in earlier sessions. That itself took like what, 5 to 7 minutes, right? Maximum 8 minutes. So, but then this one took a little bit because I have to provide the overview. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, gasoline, they are providing 3 types of gasoline, right? That is absolutely crime. So I don't know, let USA go crazy and they will just go mad because that's crime. And I'm a true civil lawyer, right? And I'm asking $500,000 trillion, and one side USA is $22 trillion deficit. Let them go mad, because before creating these kind of damages to the fellow mankind, they should have thought. Well, President Trump should have thought twice, thrice, infinite times, right? Never to create poverty to me. So with this $500,000 trillion penalty, forever President Trump will never create poverty for anybody. Not only me, anybody. Even in his dream, he will not create poverty. Right? Can you see what is innocence? When a malfunctioned brain don't know to operate correctly, then that is how these hells are created for fellow mankind. That is why there is innocence one side and at fault one side. But I cannot see any innocence in Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, and even in President Joe Biden. Because he's a lawyer, he should have fixed it, but he never fixed it. That is a crime. The crime is skyrocketing, means it went beyond sky. If there's a sky is a limit, it went beyond sky, and there is more crime to come. It's going to pile up. And all along, President Joe Biden, at fault only I'm able to say. There's a little bit of innocence. Both of them are innocent. I've said that, right? Both of them are innocent, both of them are at fault, but who is more at fault? Means President Joe Biden, because he's a lawyer. Do you think I have to step in and educate every single thing and then they have to step in to provide the solution? For how long people have been tortured with the highest gasoline price? For how long? Cost of living is high, employment is low, hourly wages, salary is low, they have to take care of their family, the children. And then there are single parents, there are broken families with whatever situation they have to undergo through. People became single parents because of natural disasters or accidents, widows, foster parents. Where only they will provide the budget allocation for. When all these crimes are not there, how easily they can provide budget. Oh, provide this help for widows, provide this help for poorest, or provide this help for beggars, or provide this help for children, or provide this help for orphans, or provide this help for unemployed, or provide this help for physically challenged, or provide this help for LGBTQ, or provide this help for married people, or provide this help for unmarried people. How many people wanted help? And they're not getting any help. They never got any help, right? That is why all this crap and all this COVID-19 scandal is all about that. People are super frustrated and super mad at how these absolute monarchs have destroyed, and I provided with the proof. And that is why they were living free, means they thought nobody will dare to stand up and tear down the mask of them, the true identity of the criminals of Elizabeth II. That is why Queen Elizabeth II must be super mad at me, because I displayed the crime. She is a true criminal after all, for creating the COVID-19, everything. What did I say? I said when they fixed that robocall poverty mandate, Everything will get fixed, right? I said what? Put blindest faith in me, my dear fellow mankind, right? Only one sentence I said. That's all it is. And if you're going to see all my sessions, it is a life proof how I'm proving it. Because this is the one deadliest crime. If that gets fixed, everything gets fixed. Period. That is an excellent design solution provider. That is how design solutions should be. Rather than going on fixing one error, I mean, it's a long process. It still can be done. It's like forever it will be. But if you're going to fix, the true designer knows, okay, fix one error, boom, all the 1,000 errors will be fixed, means that much labor can be saved and can be used for another healthy process. That is why a true designer will be standing out in the crowd always. An excellent designer is design solutions will be in excellence mode, highest standard mode. People can easily figure it out, the design from the design itself. And I already said I love design. I am an excellent designer, that is according to me. And I've proved it. My Poverty Free Earth end of the year volunteer project proved it. It's a life proof after all. Okay. You're all laughing. I just do not want to go beyond this. It is 58 minutes already. So yes, this session is about the deadliest crime of gasoline. You all got it, right? I educated what? People should not be even paying for gasoline at the first place. Okay. Then there should never be 3 types of gasoline, only one gasoline. People must drive and go to the gasoline, just there should be only one tank or one type only. And it should be affordable pricing, that's all. If at all they wanted to provide a pricing. So both the sides, both types, they created a crime. So they will have to pay the price. And in this write-up, there is only $500,000 trillion, but it should be 3 times count. Okay? And yes, I must get the civil justice now, and I am in need of finance. I am unemployed. I have to get back to the workforce. I am wishing to get back to the workforce soon. Right? And I want to live a happy life. Then when I'm saying happy life, I also need enough finance, enough healthy financial stability. I need to have an affordable housing to live in, isn't it? According to my choice. And I also need a vehicle. It should be my choice only. I already said I can go for whatever it is, right? I don't want to get back into those, but it should be my choice. And that means I have to get all the rightful salary one side, rightful civil justice on side, rightful job on side, and also I have to get the same medical compensation for my fellow mankind accordingly when I start the job. Provide a healthy processing to work on what can be the healthy medical finance compensation. Thank you all for your time. It took 1 hour. So I will cut it down, and I will provide other sessions, and that will be shorter. Okay. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.